今日は英語修理店のエピソードです。英語を勉強している日本人が英語の間違いを正してくれないかと尋ねました。これを実際の会話英語で行ってみます。
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Yes, Hikari, I am ready to go. Thank you for that great introduction. And everyone else, minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to the Social English Podcast. This is your host, Percy Yokuso. Today, we are going to help another Japanese learner of English with their English on our English Repair Shop episode. But first, I want you to relax and listen to me, your friend Percy. You've invited me to a coffee shop where we are relaxing, sitting down, and having our favorite cup of coffee. Today, I am drinking a mochaccino, and you maybe a cafe latte. You can hear the voices all around us in the cafe as we get ready to talk about social English.
気楽にアメリカ人の友人であるパーシーを招いて落ち着いた雰囲気の中でお気に入りのカフェに座りながら英語を練習して上達しようとしているとします。これからパーシーが今日のトピックについて話しますのでリラックスして聞いてください。
Okay, everyone. Remember, this is a actual, real Japanese person learning English who asked me to help them fix these sentences with the correct English version. So first, please listen to the wrong, chigaimasu, the wrong English version. Then we will listen to the correct sekai. Social English, correct version, the conversational correct eikaiwa version, and the social English versions. We will do that second. And last, I will say the correct English version in fast speed or fast English. Please listen after you hear the first wrong version. Please listen. Kite kudasai. I got start to watch Gossip Girl. 2 long series. I got start to watch Gossip Girl. 2 long series. Okay. Today is a short episode. If you are a beginner level, please listen carefully. How do you fix this? If you are intermediate, medium, or upper level, advanced, how would you fix this? Would you use standard, regular, grammatical English? Would you use eikaiwa, conversational English? Yes, there is a difference. Speaking and reading and writing English, there is a difference. Okay, please remember. Please listen to me, my corrected social English version. Okay? Here it is. 聞いてください. I just started watching Gossip Girl. It's such a long series. I just started watching Gossip Girl. It's such a long series. Here is a more social English conversational, eikaiwa version. A little bit more social English version. I just got started watching Gossip Girl. Man, is it such a long series. I just started watching Gossip Girl. But man, is it such a long series. Here is another version. Another social English version. Please, if you're a lady, try this version. I just got started watching Gossip Girl. I can't believe it's so long. I just got started watching Gossip Girl. I can't believe it's so long. Okay. Watching Gossip Girl. Let's look at the English version. I just got started. I just got started watching. I want to watch. I wanted to watch. But now I started just now. Next. Too long series. Wrong English. Too long series. The Japanese person learning English, Nihonjin, wants to say the series, the show, is long. So we want to speak with emotion. It's such a long series. You are surprised. You are surprised that Gossip Girl is a long series. So we use emotion when speaking to say this. Please copy my voice and my tone when you want to talk about something like this. I can't believe it's so long. I can't believe it's so dry. I can't believe it's so slow. I can't believe it's so sweet. I can't believe it's so salty. So please use emotion and social English when you are speaking to someone, especially your new English speaking friend. Okay, that's all for today's episode of the Social English Podcast. My name is Percy. I am your host, and I am so happy that you were able to spend some time with me today. Thank you. I know you learned something valuable, and if you like the show, please leave a 5-star review and come visit us at realsocialenglish.com. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple, Google, Stitcher, Pandora, and I will personally thank you. Also, check us out at patreon.com/social English, as well as all of our other platforms, and share. That is going to do it again. And thanks for listening and joining me today. I will see you next time. Peace and love.
このショーを気に入っていただけたら、5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。realsocialenglish.com にアクセスしてぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また、毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただけます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこのショーを作るための支援として$5の寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイトrealsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. バイバイ。